Virgo forecast around family for 2021. You are devoted to your friends and family, Virgo. You are often the one who serves as the voice of reason and someone reminds your loved ones to do the right thing. You enforce their decisions. You are their cheering gallery and you help them navigate their choices. Sometimes there may be too much of this on your part, but it always comes from the heart. And even when your loved ones feel pushed or pressured by you to follow certain ways or ideals, they know you do it from a deep place of love and caring. At the same time, though, you don't always express your love verbally. You love by demonstration, but sometimes this is not enough. People in your life need to both hear your words of love and feel your affection. This year, you need to work on developing a more tangible approach to loving and caring, because it will not only assure those you care about, but it will also help you grow closer to them. A very important family matter may come up this year, and you will be placed at the center of it. This might involve a pivotal decision involving finances, which is a category where you excel. There may be some jealousy or rivalry, though, but you can overcome this by including that person in the decision-making process. You may also be asked to help someone out with a tricky or awkward problem, and it may feel out of your league. But if you truly want to help, you can find a way to still be very useful with a little creativity.